Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card Silver Series. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card Silver Series. And this is in the 256GB capacity. It's also produced in a terabyte, 512GB and 128GB capacities. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging, and on the back of the box there is some product information for this Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card Silver Series, and it comes with 10 years of warranty. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling open the box flap at the top and sliding the tray insert out from it. Just closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and now giving you a look at the contents that we've just removed from this Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card Silver Series packaging. So giving you a close-up look at the CFexpress Type B card in the 256GB capacity straight out of its box packaging, and giving you a look at this black tray insert as well, which is recyclable. Okay, now let's go ahead and pop the card or the card case out from the insert, and we can just set the insert to the side. And now giving you a much closer in look at this Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card Silver Series in the 256GB capacity. So it supports 8K video recording and has transfer speeds or read speeds of up to 1750 megabits per second and write speeds of up to 1350 megabits per second. Now let's go ahead and open up this case, this translucent or clear carry case, by popping open that clip and giving you a much closer in look now at this CFexpress Type B card as it is inside its clear plastic case or holder, giving you a look at the details that are on it. So it does have this granular silvery looking case. Let's pop the card out and just setting the case to the side and giving you a much closer in look at the memory card itself, the CFexpress Type B card from Lexar Professional's Silver Series of CFexpress cards. So they're giving you a close-up look at all the details as best that I can. Of this card and its various aspects. So you can see the front part of the card as well as the back. And the sides of the card. Okay, and just placing the card back in its case and closing and locking the clip back up. So that's the Lexar Professional CFexpress Type B card, Silver Series in the 256GB capacity. Thanks for watching and happy storing!